This class? 4.1, converting fractions and decimals using place value. What are we using again? Say again?
Place value.
If you can't use place, or if you don't know place value, this is going to be a hard lesson. If you know place value, I think it's going to be easy. Eyes are up here on the screen. Fraction and decimal. What do we now know about fractions and decimals? They're the same thing, right? They're the same thing, they just look different. Here we go. Look at this first number. Everyone read that number. If I multiply it by 10, which is 10 a power of 10? If I multiply it by a power of 10, which way am I moving the decimal point? How many places? How do I know I'm only moving it one place? So if I move it one place to the right, my decimal point ends up like right there, right? And my new answer is? How many places am I moving this decimal point on number 5?
3.
Why? And because I'm also multiplying, right?
Yes.
Is 1,000 a power of 10?
Yes.
Why do I have a blank? Like, what happens here? What do I put in there?
0.
That's why I got 670, yes?
Yes.
What about this number? How many places am I moving the decimal point on this one?
3.
3, but wait, there's only 1 0. You guys said I just count the number of zeros. It's an exponent, right? It's a power. So it has 3 as the exponent, yes? So I'm going to do 3 bunny hops? And then fill in my zeros, yes? What about this one? Which way am I moving my decimal point when I'm dividing? So I'm actually moving left, right? Same thing, power of 10, just 1 0, move it one spot, yes? Dividing, which way do I move when I divide? How many places?
3.
Got it? All right, here we go. I want you to read this one together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Anytime we write a decimal less than 1, we must write a 0 before the decimal point.
Great. Number 4, read this one. Go.
If the denominator is a power of 10, we can receive a place value to the number as 10.
So here's a fraction 3/10, yes? Is this denominator a power of 10?
Yes.
So read this fraction.
3/10.
Does the decimal sound the exact same?
Yes.
So we say 0 and 3/10, but it sounds the same, yes? Just that 0 in front. Is this a power of 10?
Yes.
Read this.
900.
Read this.
900.
So if you have a denominator that's a power of 10, your decimal sounds the exact same as the fraction? Okay, let's move to these. Now we're going to go from a decimal to a fraction. Can everybody read this decimal?
3/10.
Say it again.
3/10.
What's the fraction?
3/10.
Read this.
5/10.
What's the fraction?
1/2.
Whoa, 1/2, but originally the fraction's 5/10, right?
Yes.
How did I get to 1/2?
Reduce.
Reduce or simplify, right?
Yes.
So simplify. What if you have a number before the decimal? Do we just write that number as a whole?
Yes.
You guys cool?